Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Pull up a chair, sit down, and let's cook something delicious together. Do you have some leftover beef? That's what we have from Christmas. What we're going to do is we are going to make some jerky. Some people say you have to make jerky with raw meat. I like to make mine with leftovers. It just gets a little more brittle, it's less chewy, and I like it that way. What we're going to do is we're going to get a bowl. We're going to add in 1 cup of soy sauce, 1.5 cups of Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke, 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt, and 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. I have that all added to my bowl. Now, if you want to make it a little bit hot, you can put 1 tablespoon of crushed red peppers in it, 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, and then I like mine sweet and hot, so I put in 2 tablespoons of Florida's honey and 2 tablespoons of the red hot sweet chili. We're going to mix that all together. We're going to pull our beef apart. We're going to put these in 2 different bowls, and we're going to let them marinate overnight. Here's our beef. We're going to put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Now it's time to put our beef jerky on. So we're just going to pull this out. It's been marinating and put it on our trays. So there you have it. We've got 1, 2, 3 trays, not completely full trays. I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on this. And we're going to turn it on. Oh, plug it in. Gotta plug it in. Turn it on. We're gonna set the timer for 4 hours.
Just set it and forget it.
Yep. 4 hours. And then you hit set again, and you want it this at 140 and start, or the play button, and there you go. Just said, you can tell it's not really that loud, and when we're done, we'll have beef jerky. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video. Till then, stay cooking, stay baking.